back to my channel. It's Eileen. So today is truck pickup day. And they're supposed to come today and start loading us up. So garage is ready. Just doing a walkthrough, making sure things that we want them to pack gets packed. And stuff that they can't pack, we gotta get rid of it. So this is the house so far. So we've got our laundry room all packed up. Everything is packed up. And there's certain things they can't take, like liquids or bleach. So the boxes and more boxes. Sorry, this is the morning of day 4. Packers finished up yesterday and they got the rest of the house done. And they took down our dressers. Had a walk through with them. All the closet. This stays with the house. This is not ours. Okay. Bathroom. Definitely cannot use this bathroom. It's our TV. Everything's packed. Nothing is left behind. Let's go downstairs. Boys' bedroom got finished. Basement. Everything left over is for our driver to take care of. So nothing changed in here. Everything's still the same. And that is what we have today, guys. So we gotta not touch this. Tell them not to do that. Not to leave it. I mean, not to pack those. We're going up here. So yeah, we are ready. If only the driver would get here now. Oops. Uh-oh. So guys, now we're having a thunderstorm and I'm getting hail in our backyard. There's hail. See the little white dots? That's hail. Right there. Lightning. Look. On the day our truck is supposed to show, wow, it's like ping-ponging off the deck. Oh my goodness. Insane. It's coming down hard too. So much hail. Wow. Perfect day for the truck to come pack us out. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was hard. You can see it bouncing in the grass too. Oh my God. Can you guys hear that? Ooh. It's lightning. Ooh, this wind is strong. Ooh, it's blowing hard. It is blowing hard. Maybe we can see it. Uh-oh. Let me see. Guys, can you hear all the hail hitting our house? See it bouncing out there? See that white? Those are all hail in the front yard. We just had a freak thunderstorm run through us. And it's still going. The rain is pouring down hard. This is insane. Ooh. guess all the hail is done passing, hitting us. Ooh, that was a big one. Ooh. You guys hear all that pinging sound. That is all hail. Ooh! It's hitting the glass. Like hard. Oh my goodness. Crazy. Look at the front door. Look at all the hail. It's bouncing off. Oh my goodness. Woo! Look at the hail right there. That's so crazy. All the way to the front door. Hitting us. It's so wild. Woo!
You did what, Mom? Day one?
You guys, it's gone. China cabinet's gone. There's our truck. And he's almost there. Oh my gosh. It's real now. It's real. It's gonna be a really big whirlwind. It's gonna be a whirlwind because they're gonna deliver us on Saturday. That's insane. All right, guys, this is day 4. The truck came and now everything is gone. I just spent the whole day scrubbing and painting and scraping and getting garbage out. And the carpet guy came. Carpets are clean. Thank you. Brooks Chem Dry. It's pretty awesome. I don't dare go down our stairs because he just finished, so I'm just gonna let that be. And everything is out of the house. All the carpet looks fabulous. So there it is. Carpet is presto changeo. We are done. I just finished the floors in here. Dining room is done. I have to do the floors in here in the kitchen. And there's my child sleeping on the counter, of course. No other way to go. Laundry is done. Garage is finito. We just gotta load that into our car and blow out the garage. And all of that is trash pickup day tomorrow. So I think we're almost there. I just gotta finish up everybody, and we have my husband's ceremony tomorrow. Walk through with the property manager, and we're done. Turn in the keys and we're done. So this is it. Final walk through. I can't even walk through the whole house because the rest of it is still drying. But I'll see you all on the other side, and we will get delivered on a Saturday. So yippee, the fun is not over. And that's it. Thank you all for coming. Look at this. So I'll see you all on the next video. Thanks for coming, and thanks for supporting my channel. Love you all. Bye.